You are welcome to solve this question. Evaluate 1 plus log of 4 plus log of 9 all over 1 plus log of 36. So the first thing you need to do is just apply the first law of logarithms for this portion. So the first law of logarithms says that if you have the log of A plus the log of B, then that is the same as the log of the product of the two. So let us just apply that here. So we are going to have 1 plus the log of 4 times 9 over 1 plus the log of 36. So in the numerator, we have the log of 4 times 9, that is the same as the log of 36. So we have 1 plus the log of 36 over 1 plus the log of 36. So as you can see, we have 1 plus log of 36 and 1 plus log of 36, which will just cancel so that you have the answer as 1.